Welcome back to Chef J Cooks.
Today I'll be making vegan soy burger. This plant-based burger is made with soy meat and topped with savory teriyaki mushrooms. It's hearty, flavorful, and super easy to make. Bring a pot of water to a boil and put the soy meat to rehydrate for a few minutes. Drain well and squeeze out excess moisture. If you want to reduce the soy smell, rinsing and squeezing it 2 to 3 times will help. Chop the onion and microwave it for 2 minutes until soft. Grate the garlic and ginger. In a bowl, combine soy meat, chopped onion, panko, soy sauce, garlic and ginger. Mix well until the mixture holds together. If it feels too loose, add more panko to firm it up. Shape the mixture into burger patties. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Place the patties in and cook them until they turn golden brown on one side. Flip them carefully as they can be a little fragile and cook for a few more minutes. Toast the burger buns until they are lightly crispy. Spread mustard on the bottom bun, then layer on lettuce, the soy patty, ketchup, and some fresh greens. Add the teriyaki mushrooms on top. For the full recipe, check out the teriyaki mushroom recipe from day 1. Finally, place the top bun. I hope you enjoy this flavor-packed vegan soy burger.
いただきます。
At the end of this 14-day series, all recipes with links to the videos will be packaged in a downloadable PDF. Stay tuned for details on how to get it. Soy meat is a plant-based meat alternative made from defatted soybeans. It usually comes in dried form and needs to be rehydrated before cooking. Since it's made from soybeans, it's low in fat and high in protein. In this burger recipe, I use the ground meat type, but soy meat also comes in chunks or slices. You can use soy meat in classic Japanese dishes like karaage, hamburger, mabo tofu, curry rice, and gyoza. It's a great plant-based protein that absorbs flavors well.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.